everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one website. It's all about fitness. It's called Darebee. So this website has all that you need to be fit. So it has various workouts with explanation, simple illustrations that shows you various types of workouts. If you want dumbbell and workout with apps, it shows all those ones with illustrations, and it also shows you which area it focuses on. You can download it in the form of a PDF if you want. If you want to focus on programs, there are various programs that is available. Let's say you want to have the arms of steel, so that will show you a program that is tailored for that. 30 days, upper body only, difficulty, this is perfect for beginners. So it shows what all exercise you need to do in this. So let's say day 1. So in day 1, what all exercise you should do: 10 scissor chop, 10 scissor arm scissors, 10 scissor chops, chest expansions. You have a timer also here based on which you can do it. It shows you different sets: 1 set, 2 set, 3 sets. Now if you want challenges, you have various challenges here. This is daily kicks, walking, hero, daily cardio, daily squats. So it opens like a calendar, 30-day calendar. So the first day it says 5 squats, 5 count squat hold, 4 sets, no rest. That's what it says. So first day, after coming here you can click on 1, then it will show you what all things you have done for that day. 5 squats, 5 squat. So you can come here and mark it. Here they have a counter also. Then you have guides. In guides you can see various information, like what are the 5 elements for a successful fitness routine, how to make your legs stronger. All those information you can find from here. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.